Bolognese risotto with hidden veg, you know, it's everything that Skinnymixers is all about. Comforting, loads of hidden veg in it, and it's incredibly delicious. But to me, it's the perfect meal when the weather is crap outside. So a great tip for you if you're cooking this at home to reduce your dishes is when you're doing the Parmesan cheese blending bit, just actually put this straight away in your thermal server. You stir it through the risotto at the end. So one of the cool things about this dish is the hidden mushrooms. We actually blend these up and mix them with the mince. You won't even know that they're in there. They just add so much extra nutrition to this meal. So I've set my mushies aside and now I'm gonna add my hidden veg part. Some carrots, some capsicum, some garlic, onion, and zucchini. So that's how veg blended up now. You can at this point blend it again if you wanna just guarantee. The onion's making my eyes water. And now we're just gonna saute that with a bit of olive oil. So at this point, we want to add our reserved mushrooms back into the bowl. I did not mean to do it like that. And our mince, and we're going to cook that for a further 5 minutes. So I like to put my water inside of my passata bottle and give it a good shake. So at this point, we do our final step, which is adding our risotto rice in. What I recommend is cook it for the 16 minutes and check it. I have been noticing lately that some risotto in Australia is taking a little bit longer. I think this could use another couple of minutes and then it's gonna be perfect. Have a close-up look and you tell me if you can see any of that hidden veg in it, because I sure can't. So now I'm gonna get stuck into this delicious bowl, but I want you to tell me in the comments, can you tell that there's a bunch of hidden veggies in this amazing dish? It actually is so good. It really is.